yummy. And I just slathered my crusty hands with lotion. Well, now my hands are also hairy. I'm about to take out of this box. I should probably not have any lotion or moisture on my hands at all because you guys, well, you know what? Ceremonial candle lighting first. Plus now I have like greasy lotiony hands. So I'm like, let's touch a lighter. You know what? No, this is just bad. Bad idea. Now I'm putting alcohol on my hands and then touching a lighter. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm back. Look at my dress. Would you wear Happy Cow dress? I love it. All right, yeah, I'm back. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, as if this is like an important announcement, but like the lotion I just used plus the soap I just washed my hands with has now created a complete Skittle aroma. So I look dry and crusty, but I smell like a Skittle. All right, let's light the candle. Blue raspberry snow cone. Ah, it's gonna smell like snow cones and hopefully not my burning finger scent. Ah, this is a video of pure chaos and it's only gonna get weirder from here, folks. All right, sniff the candle. Taste the rainbow. Let's begin. Sippy, sippy. Sippy, sippy for Kermit. Okay, so inside this little brown mysterious box is maybe the strangest, creepiest, weirdest fashion accessory that I could ever possibly own. And that's saying a lot because I do have like the head of, I think it's the rabbit from Disney. I have a bag that looks like that, but I decided why stop there? Let's go even stranger. So I actually have been waiting for this item for more than 6 months now. I think I placed the order for this last September or November, and I've been very excited for it ever since. It is the mouth coin purse. It comes all the way from Japan. The artist, I believe, is called Do CDs, and I think he's actually like a DJ as well. Most of the posts and captions are in Japanese, which I unfortunately don't understand, although I really, really wish that I did. And the sculptures that this artist makes is just incredible. Some of them, like, they're all hyper realistic. Some of them even blink. I feel like I just have to do the unboxing and then we can talk more about it. Because the more I tell you guys it blinks, the more I'm just gonna be spoiling the surprise inside this box. So let's go ahead and wheel in the second camera angle for this juicy unboxing action, and everyone say a quick prayer for this tripod because it is on its last leg. It's not doing so hot. So lights, yes. Camera on, action. Okay, I've got my funky scissors, which I feel like I just have to show you guys in every video as if it's anything new at this point. I was just thinking, like, how cool would it be to have a box cutter that looks like teeth? Wouldn't that be kind of cool? That'd be kind of cool. I'm not smelling that candle yet. All right, you guys. So this is it. As you can see, not a very big box, not a very heavy box. And this showed up like instantly. Like I finally got a email that it had shipped, and then like literally 2 days later it was here, and I was so shocked. You guys, sometimes why can't I talk? I'm also like cutting in. This is probably the most careful that I have ever carefully unboxed a box in my life, but I like don't know how it's wrapped in here, and I don't wanna slice it open, you know. Is this, oh, that was anticlimactic. Let's try that again. Still a little, ooh. We have white paper. Yes, catch it. Paper, paper, paper. And here we go. This is gonna be it, you guys. It's kind of hefty. I think this is gonna be it in the box. I don't think that there's gonna be like an adoption certificate or anything that's like, you're now the proud owner of the most bizarre designer handbag that's ever been made. I'm gonna call it designer. Okay, so now is like the super delicate part, which honestly, these scissors, I feel like I say this all the time. They're like good to be like, wow, what's that? But they're inherently not that great for cutting. Oh my God, I think I feel the item down here. Cutting delicately, which is against my nature. Normally I'm like, ha! You know? Okay. Oh my God, you guys, this feels, can you see what it is? This feels like hefty. Oh! Oh my God! Can you see this? Oh my God, it is the mouth coin purse, and it has stubble, which I didn't know that was gonna happen. It's like a surprise. You guys, this feels so lifelike. So lifelike. Look at the, oh my God. Okay, so there's 2 holes in the top of this mouth, and that's so we can like thread a lanyard through. I'm not sure if the lanyard is gonna be inside the mouth or if it's like a do-it-yourself lanyard. Look at the stubble. You guys, it looks real. It feels real. So it's the mouth coin purse. Have you guys seen this thing? It has definitely been going viral. Look at that. There's teeth in there. Ew. Okay. How do we open it? I literally, I think you just go like that. Oh my God, it has like stuff in the mouth. You guys, we've got upper teeth and lower teeth, and like, I'm kind of scared. Like, not to stick my finger inside, but that is kind of funny. Like, I'm kind of scared of like breaking it. Like, I don't know how sensitive the little hairy skin is. Oh my God, you guys, just look at this. Look at that. Okay, now we can really see in there. What can you see? You can maybe see better than I can see. Can you see what we have in there? We have full on whole set of teeth in there. Okay, I'm like trying to discover, is there the string in there? We might need to like dig back in the box. I guess maybe I'm supposed to like do that myself. Oh my God, also love that the teeth are crooked. Okay, we have to listen and see. Is it gonna make a clack? Yeah, so I think now the artist is offering some customization. Like if you want for it to have more of a mustache, less of a mustache, like different types of teeth. I think I saw one with like fangs, but like, look at that. Ugh. Yeah, you can just go like that and the lips open just a little bit, or you can full on just, you know, go like that. I'm gonna like bring it all the way up to the microphone just so you guys can hear the chomp. That's definitely the weirdest part. It feels very sturdy though. Like, I feel like I could definitely entrust my items to this mouth bag. So let me take one more sneaky peeky down in the box down here and see, is there a strap of any kind? No, that's just it. Just a mouth in a box, you guys. That's it. Dang, I'm gonna have to, wait. Oh, there's string right here off of my recent Lush unboxing. Oh my God, let's get crafting, you guys. I really enjoy how I'm just doing this on the fly. I almost threw this away, and I'm really glad that I didn't. I mean, obviously, like, I don't want to just be wearing this and like just have the mouth just fall down to the ground. Can you imagine how weird that would be? So yeah, as I was saying in the beginning of this video, while I'm doing my little summer camp knot tying over here, this artist makes so many amazing things. All of them I think are kind of like wearable pieces, but they also offer a fleshy sphere, which is an eyeball, and you can program it to do all kinds of stuff. Like, it blinks, and then there's like a finger that I think you can do like a custom stamp on the bottom. I don't know why but I like it all. Okay, I feel like this is gonna be good to hopefully just secure us temporarily. Oh my God, you guys, just having to shove my hand up here. What is this video, honestly? Flossing? I feel like I could like floss these teeth. Is it gonna hold? Look at that. I've got a spinning mouth on a string. It seems to be holding. I mean, I guess that's like kind of cool too, because you can just totally, you know, switch out the string. I'm trying to gauge like how long does it need to be? Where do I start tying the knots? What else can I say about this except for in the fashion world, I love the alarming, the odd. I like the horror element like mixed into it. Is my eyelash falling off? You guys, I put some light glue on them today and we are having a mega thunderstorm right now. We're about to find out what will fit in the mouth. Now, obviously this is like a temporary mouth string because I mean, this does like hang down. Like it doesn't look as cool maybe when the mouth is open, but when it's shut, you're not gonna know. Let's try the mouth on, which is just a normal everyday phrase that people all over the world say. See, I feel like that's what I would do is like leave the string long, but then like tie it up with, I don't know, like safety pins or something. Cause I feel like it should be like, you know, like this height. And you guys, it is so creepy because like this mouth was just touching my arm down here. And it's like, I feel the stubble of a human face down here, just rubbing against my hand. Let's find out what can fit in the mouth bag. First up, we have Leonardo DiCaprio's driver's license. Open sesame. Look at that. It just gets weirder. Okay, how about a driver's license? I don't think so. No. So this is like clearly maybe not a bag for like a night out on the town. I mean, maybe you could just like leave your ID like kind of sticking out of the mouth. I mean, it is not secure at all. No. I don't know what I was gonna say with that. All right. Yum yum. How about a single juicy jelly fruit candy? Will that? No. This is like, can you imagine if it just like explodes? One single juicy jelly candy. No. Although I could go like, you know, and do, I never did that challenge where you like see if you can get the candy to explode. All right. Up next, I have one of these weird teeny tiny little phones from Wish. I think that they're even smaller than this now, like by a lot. Get out of the box. Now I thought personally, wouldn't this make like a cute necklace, you know? Also, they're always advertised as voice changers, and I just want to know, what does that mean? You know, could I like sound like Darth Vader with this thing? Or the next thought I had was, can I sound like Slappy the dummy from Goosebumps? Okay, how about a teeny tiny phone? Is that gonna fit? Oh my God, you guys. I definitely thought the teeny tiny phone would fit, but luckily I have even teenier, tinier phones. Now this is obviously just for comedic purposes. These don't actually work or anything at all. We unboxed these on my second channel, which is Banana Peppers, and these are really fun and cute, like mini retro phone keychains. So yeah, but I'm like, oh, can we put like this tiny little phone in there? Ah, look, we have a winner. Now let's shake it around in there. It actually feels kind of steady. All right. So far we've been able to fit a funny fake cell phone keychain. But luckily I have a box of dollars down here. Yes, a box of dollars. So let's count how many dollars could we fit into the mouth. $1. Feeling kind of full already. $2. I feel like I'm the count. from Sesame Street. Ha ha ha. 2, literally you guys, it's almost like stuffed full already. 3, ha ha ha. $3. Oh, that also feels a little rough, you guys. All right, I think maybe one more. $4. Ha ha ha. Yeah. Oh my God, look at that. It already feels like, I'm not exaggerating, like it, did I hurt it? It already feels like kind of stuffed in there, you guys. Like, look at that. You open the mouth and like the cash is like exploding out of the mouth. Look at that. Look at that. We'll do it again. I wish I actually had some coins. My $4 is stuck in this mouth. There we go. Let's see that again. Like, can you imagine how weird that would be? I feel like you'd have to be the most popular person at a nightclub if you like bring this in to a bar or something and be like, yeah, I'll buy your drink, buddy. And you just pull dollars out of a fake mouth. Okay, the mouth looks unharmed. I just cannot like even stress to you guys how utterly realistic this looks. It feels real. It looks real. It is real. So yeah, I mean, I feel like obviously this is like one of those accessories where it is just more about the statement, which what statement is this making? I don't know. I just like the weird, the absurd, the avant-garde in my fashion life. But yeah, I feel like this is definitely more for the statement than for like the actual like, wow, I can fit a lot of stuff in here. Yeah, I really, really like it. It's so strange, but it is really cool. Look, I feel like you can go, ha ha, like, you know, like if a grandmother is like pinching your little cheeks. That's kind of what I'm doing right now. Ha! Yeah, you guys, this has been a very, very weird unboxing. I don't know if we've ever unboxed an item quite as strange as this. But hey, here it is in all of its glory. So I think that the artist is once again taking pre-orders for this bag. That seems to be kind of what they do, is they take all the orders they can and then like take several months and like fulfill the orders and then open up like the pre and custom orders again. So yeah, I would definitely buy other pieces from this artist because it is just amazing. It's just weird. I don't know, you guys. Y'all are gonna have to let me know, would you wear it or is it just too strange and disturbing? Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below as usual. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below. Subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wangs. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!